Alright guys, 2013 jx35 infiniti air carbon filter. Open the glove compartment. Alright, you got 1 screw, 2 screw, 3 screw, and up inside where this little shelf is, it got 2 screws up here. 1, 2. Once you take those screws out, close back the box. Now the bottom, it got 2 screws. 1, 2 in the middle, 3 at the end. And after that, you just rock from the bottom. You just hold it, give it a little tug, and you put it on top here. See, the whole box came out. You're gonna unplug the light wire from the back, twist it clockwise, no, anti-clockwise to take out. There's a little bulb, little socket where the wire is gonna come out. Move the box, put it all away, and you go up in here. This is a carbon filter cover. It goes up here. Put on the light. Alright. You see? That's a carbon filter right there. Alright. This piece goes up right there. See that? Come up. Goes up. Doing this with one hand so I can show you guys how to get it in and get it out. Alright? So what you're gonna see is just this little lever right here. See this right here? That's a little lever. You just push it up. See? There's a cover coming off with the carbon filter. Came right down. Look like this. Alright. And that's the filter in there. And let me show you how to put in the filter. Because whoever changes filter for the first time, or whatever, whoever changes it, so it's bent up, you don't want it like that. So when you have it and it's brand new, you gotta squeeze in the middle. Gotta be like this. And you put in one side first, the bottom first. Push the bottom in like that, going up here. Have it up like this. And you push the bottom in first, the bottom end. And then you just work it in. I already put it in already. I don't want to take it out. Alright? So you put it in like this. You squeeze in the middle of the filter. So you get that kind of egg oval shape on the end. And you put the bottom in and you just work it in like this. Just push it right in. Once you do like that, you won't end up with nothing like this. Whoever put it in, so all is bent up, dust is passing through, debris is passing through, everything. And the number one key, the air arrow. See the airflow? See the arrow? You gotta be facing in the car. Look at it very carefully. See that? Airflow, that's supposed to be facing in the car. Okay guys, hope this helped you out. 2013 Infiniti jx35. So basically all you need is flathead Phillips screwdriver, and if you want you could have a pick, but you don't really need it. There's flathead Phillips screwdriver. That's it. All right.